You see I've already created 4 tasks. Next, I'll create a 5th. I click the empty field at the bottom of the task name list and type Launch Public Web Portal for Book and press Enter. Project gives every task a unique ID number. The ID numbers do not necessarily represent the order in which tasks will occur. Because these are manually scheduled tasks, as indicated in the Task Mode column, no duration or date values appear, and the tasks do not yet have Gantt bars in the chart portion of the Gantt chart view. Think of a manually scheduled task as an initial placeholder you can create at any time without affecting the rest of your schedule. You can add more details later. You can easily add tasks in the middle of an existing list. I'd like to insert a new task ahead of Task 3. I click the Task tab, and in the Insert group, I click Task. Project inserts the new task and renumbers the subsequent tasks. I name my new task Public Launch Phase and press Enter. Now I'll show you how to enter durations as you build a task list. I begin in the duration column for Task 1, type 1D for 1 day, and press Enter. Project creates a Gantt bar for that task in the chart portion of the view. Now in the duration field for Task 2, I'll type Check with Marketing, then press Enter. With manually scheduled tasks, you can enter a placeholder text value like this in the duration field and replace it later with a real duration value once you know it. In addition, you can add text to the start and finish fields on manually scheduled tasks. You can also set durations by defining both the start and finish dates of a task. I'll do this for Task 5. In the start field, I type 1/19/15, then press Tab. That takes me to the finish date field. I'll enter the date January 27th. Rather than typing the date, I could have used the date picker. Notice that the Gantt bar for the task takes into account the non-working day on Thursday, January 22nd. Otherwise, this would have been a 7-day duration task. You can enter text into the start field as well to capture whatever information you know about a task if you don't have a specific start date. You'll have a chance to do that yourself in a few minutes. Now I'll show you how to organize tasks into phases by using summary tasks. First, I select tasks 4 through 6, which will be part of one phase of the project. With these tasks selected, I click the Task tab, and in the Schedule group, click Indent Task. This promotes Task 3 to a summary task and makes tasks 4 through 6 its subtasks. Notice the scheduling effect of creating the summary task. Because Task 5 had specific start and finish dates already, Project set the start and finish dates of the summary task to the same dates as Task 5.